Hi everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Haiti, and today we are making black beans with coconut. You need black beans, of course, scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, salt to taste, plenty of water, coconut milk and cream, and cloves, girofle. Sort the beans, trier pois pour retirer tan kou ti wash ou bien morceau bois qui pas ta supposé la donne. Après ça, rincez bien. Rinse the beans in a bowl and then under running water. In a pan, add 2 to 3 inches of water, just enough to cover the beans and then the garlic cloves. Cover the pot halfway and let boil for about 10 to 15 minutes and then add water as the beans start to float. It is always best to add the coconut milk before the beans are fully cooked. And you know that the beans are ready to puree when they are smooth and creamy in texture. Add water as needed and let the beans continue to boil. It is really important that the beans are cooked properly because if they are not cooked properly, the sauce will not be rich. You can always use a blender to puree the beans, but I'm going to show you how to puree the beans without a blender in case you don't have one. Add the seasoning of your choice or spice and let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. And if the sauce was too thick, just add a little bit of boiled water in it. And if it's too clear, just let it reduce. And you are good to go. Mom, kalal wa bon, oui? Oh, li bon, e sa swa même, sans passer. Hmm? Non. Hmm, li bon. Li bon, bon ti-